Look at that, that is fantastic. That is our sweet mincemeat slice made. Our mince pie slice, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a fantastic Christmas tart. Now you would normally make mince pies, but we're going to use the sweet mincemeat, some ready rolled pastry, so that's two quick things, and we're going to make a mince meat or a sweet mincemeat pie tart. So we're going to make a sweet mincemeat tart. Fantastic little thing. You know, you can either eat it as little squares or you can serve it with custard. So quick, so easy, there's no messing around. Ready rolled pastry, jarred sweet mincemeat on there. Oven on 180. It's that quick, make sure the oven's on. Little bit of flour on there. I'm going to use this tray, so obviously we've got to roll enough pastry to go on there, and we'll roll the top. So it's not rocket science. Roll out your pastry to fit whatever tin that you're using. Should get it, I reckon. Let's have that rolled up there. It'll be close enough. Right, we've got a little bit of line in there, look. So we can just flop it out afterwards. Close enough. Open your jar. Oof, not like that. Whew. Open your jar and put your mincemeat on there, the whole jar, and then all it is spread it out the best you can. Look at that. That looks fabulous. Right, we need to roll the top for that. That's all there is to it. Now the top of this is going to be a little bit thinner because we've done the old 2/3, 1/3. We put the 2/3 at the bottom. In fact, it's going to be very thin in places, but we're not doing anything about that. A little bit of water on there. Let's just take that and fill that corner, look. Oh, that's well short. Are we worried? No. Just put that in there like that. Don't worry. Okay. Roll up and tuck in. Job done. 2 fingers, 1 finger, off we go. Job done. We're going to prick this. We're going to just come in there like that. Ah, good enough. Oven. Going in the oven. It's going to go in for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, let's have that wonderful pie out of there. So there we have it. That's our fantastic super duper mince pie. What we're going to do now, we're going to give it 10 minutes. 10 minutes in that tray to settle down. We're going to take it out the tray and then we'll cut some slices. Fantastic. Come on, I think this is going to be cool enough. I don't think we're going to wait any longer. Let's slide that onto there. Oh, come on. Let's get in here. Let's come in there. Oh, crumbly, crumbly pastry. Oh, look at that. In there. In there. In there. And you decide. Look at that. That is a mince pie slice. Look at that deliciousness in there. Oh, look at that goodness. There you go. Look at that. That is fantastic. That is our sweet mincemeat slice made. Our mince pie slice. Look at that. Come on. This is our mince pie slice. Now, I mean, look underneath. Beautiful. Now, if you were eating a mince pie, that would be like that. So you can serve this out whichever way you want. You could just eat it like this, like you would a mince pie with your hands. Or you could serve it with something like cream, ice cream, custard, anything like that. And what I will tell you is, this is cold custard. I absolutely love cold custard with this. Oh, come on. Oh, that is absolutely first class. So there you are. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, tell your friends how easy it is to make a mince pie slice. A sweet mincemeat slice. Easy to make. So share with your friends. Share all over. Help the channel. And if you like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hope you make it for Christmas. Catch you in the next video.